My family knows the way to my heart is a wonderful smelling candle. I'm Sarah with WTI, and this lemon grapefruit candle from M&SENSE has left my house smelling like a citrusy summer day for weeks now. I actually have 4 different candles from this company, and I absolutely love all of them. They have a strong scent that fills my whole house, and I love how long and clean they burn. I've been consistently using one of these 4 candles every day for about a month. I wake up in the morning, decide which scent I would like my house to smell like for that day, and let it burn as I work. It leaves my house smelling wonderful, even on days when my house is a little funky and it should not smell wonderful. And a candle that can cover up the funky smells of a family of 4 is aces in my book. I also love the adorable little jars that they come in. The lid fits on tightly, and they are beautiful and colorful and add a little charm to whatever room you put them in. I love these candles. The company offers so many different scents to choose from, and it kind of makes me sad that I only have 4 of them, but I'm sure that if I hint around to my husband, he'll buy me more, and what a wonderful gift that would be. And that's my point of view.